Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create subtitles in more than one languages on CapCut. So if you have a video that you want to add subtitles but in more than one languages, here's how to do it. Okay, so here I already have a video without subtitles and I want to add it. So first you just need to go to text, then click on the auto caption feature. Okay, so here the sound source select from video, and in here select the first language, English, and now to select the secondary language you need to click on the bilingual subtitles feature in here. But this is for the CapCut Pro users, so if you want to use it you need to buy the CapCut Pro first. So just click on this and select the language that you want. For example, I want to add Korean. After that you can just go back and then just click on start and let CapCut do its magic in creating the bilingual subtitles. Okay, so now you can see on the screen that the subtitles is now on two languages. One is English and also the second one is Korean, like that. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.